Pet Masters. We are going to evolve my pet. We're going to evolve Tygra. So this is Tygra. We're going to evolve Tygra. So Tygra is now at level 10. Now we're going to evolve. So evolving, we need the 3 Mydefipet tokens. So I already put some Mydefipet token. So we're going to evolve now. Let's see what will Tygra looks like after evolve. Okay, just say yes. I'm processing. Wait for the transaction. Okay, we just confirm. Let's see what will Tygra looks like. Da-da-da-da! Oh, nice. We just feed, put it to level 11. One more. Now it's level 11. Now we're going to evolve also the other one. Going to evolve Spike. So we evolve Spike. So yes. So we let our pet ready for battle. So we're going to evolve them. Just confirm. And let's see. As it looks like the first one that we evolved, like Spike. Spike, the first one. Does it fly? Yeah. It flies also, same. They fly. So we just upgraded. Speed. Okay. And then this is Spike. Oh, same with the first one, but now, yeah. Okay. We evolve also Wing Pupper. So we're going to evolve all our pet. Wing Pupper. So this is Tygra now, but have wing but never fly. So this is the last one we need to evolve. It's Wing Pupper. Okay guys, that's all. And now we already evolved our pet. So the other one we will evolve soon. We just evolved 4 pets, and then later on will become 5. So thank you so much by watching this video, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so that you will be always updated when we have a new video. Thank you so much, and have a good day, pet masters. Bye.